Perhaps the most common method of addressing cognitive learning outcomes is the lecture. And the pros are, of course, that it's very structured, you need very little technology, you have the ability to teach many learners at the same time, and you have the ability to include video lectures for learners to review later or for those who cannot attend. Of course, the cons, and the biggest one, is that it's teacher-centered. It's passive learning, and the quality of the instruction depends greatly on the quality of the speaker and the media used. Now, many lectures use slideshow presentations to accompany lectures, but few are designed to increase learner understanding or engagement. A lot of medical lectures are information-based with little learner engagement or interaction. Including some questions or problem-solving activities can get learners more actively involved. An example would be a lecture that includes time for a case review. The learners can be given a few simplified cases, followed by the didactic, and then after the lecture, the cases can be reviewed in detail, including questions posed to the learners. Another way to make a lecture more interactive is using audience response system that can provide some additional learner engagement and interaction.